Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I did a random Disney store order. I haven't ordered from the Disney store I think since Christmas, and I just got a couple ornaments then, so I thought I would share what I got. And there's a new collection from Jerrod, I hope I don't butcher his name, Maruyama, and I love his stuff. You should follow him on Instagram. He has a really, he does like Disney art, and I love all the stuff that he does. It's super freaking cute. And I just saw some of these things. I regretted not getting the Dumbo succulent. So when I saw the white rabbit one, I had to grab it. He's so cute. And today's admin day, my boss got me this big plant and I got flowers, so I'm gonna need to find room for him at my desk at work. He's so freaking cute. And at the end, I'll read the prices for everything if you're interested, and I'll put links down below if everything's still in stock. But obviously this is fake dirt and a fake plant, just like the Dumbo one. And he's just so freaking cute. And I randomly got this. I thought this glass was so freaking cute and pretty and great for the summertime and spring for your cocktails. And I just randomly got this. This is part of the new collection. They had like a palm tree kind of collection. I didn't get any of that stuff. It didn't really speak to me. But I did get some of these other things, and the three things I got from Jerrod's collection are everything except for the glass I just showed you. And this one, it's like a bowl that has a plastic lid for cover. And this is what it looks like. And I'll show you all of, there you got the Matterhorn, a Dole Whip, the rabbit, ears, a popcorn cart, you got Spaceship Earth, pirates, turkey leg, scuttle, jungle cruise, some ice cream, you gotta have churros, the tiki and ice cream sandwich. And let's go ahead and open this, and here it is. And let's see who is covered up. Oh, that's cute. He has the orange bird on here too. And let's see. There we go. It's very secure. And it says don't put this in the microwave or the dishwasher. So yeah. So here is what it looks like. And then it has this little booklet, made in China, wash before and after use. And obviously do not put this in the dishwasher or the microwave. And here is what the inside looks like. I just thought this was so super cute to like bring something for work or just in general for display purposes. I thought this was really freaking cute. And it has his signature. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. The bowl set. It was so cute. I couldn't resist. And here is the tag for part of his collection. It's all tied up in this cute little bow, but I'll open it right now to show you guys. Oh, I'm gonna need to cut through this. I came prepared. I kind of want to keep this tag because it's super cute. Oh, and it has all the dimensions in here, so I'll read that at the end. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. I make Disney recipes and stuff sometimes, and I thought these were perfect to display. And on the inside, we have Mickey ears. Let's see, that's a turkey leg, the Dole Whip popcorn, and that's it. So turkey leg, Dole Whip, popcorn, and of course his signature with the Mickey ears. And it is padded very well in these cardboard. Nothing seems broken. And next we have the medium-sized bowl. And obviously these are the same, no microwave, made in Thailand, no microwave, no dishwasher. And we have the Matterhorn, the castle, the Disney World castle, not Epcot, Spaceship Earth and an ice cream sandwich. All super cute. And more padding, more padding. Bottom one is you have It's a Small World on the inside. How super cute is that? And let's see. We have Figment ears, ice cream. There's Scully again. Tiki room. Oh, they have the whatchamacallit, kitchen sink. Orange Bird, Dumbo, Figment, Mr. Toad. Mr. Toad. We have all sorts of stuff here. The Matterhorn, a lot of the attractions, the castle. Which castle? That's Disney World Castle. Jungle Cruise, got Snow White. We have all sorts of stuff on here. Oh, I like Donald driving the car. That's cute. Oh, you got the Tigger Tail. I think that's the Tigger Tail treat at Disneyland. I unfortunately have not had one yet. We got some ice cream. We got It's a Small World people. And I think that's it. You got a caramel apples. And I think that is it. I'll twirl it around one more time for you guys. Slower. And I told you I was going to read the prices. For this, for the White Rabbit Teacup Succulent, this was $22.99. The glass, the tropical, it's called Mickey Mouse Tropical Glass. This was $13.99. And this is very high quality, like thick glass, and it has a nice gold rim, I will say. And let's see, the nesting bowl was $34.99. I think that is all of these. That was the most expensive. That's $34.99. I almost forgot to give you the dimensions to the dishes, so here we go. At the top, width is 3.8 inches, in height is 2 inches, and then the middle size bowl is 3 inches high by 5.4 inches wide, and then the biggest bowl is 3.7 inches high and 8.5 inches wide, just so you know. And then the travel bowl is $24.99, so a little expensive, but I figured for the $34 you're paying for 3 bowls, and they're so cute. You can put Disney recipes in them and post them on Instagram, or just regular meals or whatever. And I've been getting a lot of different Disney mugs to store my makeup brushes in. I think I'm going to do a video on that soon after my collection is complete. But if you have any questions on this stuff, post it down below and let me know what you've gotten from the new Disney collections that have come out. I know they have clothes with like the Mickey Mouse palm and that kind of thing. And like I said, they have the new plateware that was like Mickey palms, just wasn't my thing. And just let me know what you've gotten from the Disney store lately. Thanks, and remember to subscribe. Bye.